Workbook activities. The workbook activity year 6, year 3, lesson 6, number 1, is on pages 138 and 139 of the Extreme 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp. Who wouldn't want to be in accord with what is useful and significantly good? The quote of opening I choose is on page 130. As the individual's personal life begins to shape up, his or her view begins to expand. The next workbook activity is on the following page. I think the flower in the vase dream was given a much lower content and meaning than the Eckankar interpretation lends one to. I may, on occasion, turn to my journals, but would hardly pray to any Mahanta or high priest of a temple or order for guidance on understanding it. Now, if I was physically present with such individuals, whatever, if I have a vision and there's an entity, I may talk to the entity that makes itself known. But yeah, I'm not summoning things or other such things. But the following workbook activities on the next page. Why would one have to keep knowledge about the past, present, and future hidden if it was prophetic? Didn't the prophets come with messages for all? Workbook activity 364 is on page 132 of the Extreme 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp. I want to be as righteous and God-conscious in life as I can. I can better live my dreams by understanding them. I seek refuge with God from those that whisper into the breasts, from among fire beings and clay beings. Mahantas are eminences included. You shouldn't whisper in love back to such. Draw your scary picture of feeling whole among whispers. Following workbook activities on the next page. Are power plays misusing power? And is avoiding the play of power a way to have more freedom in your life? The message in the discourse may be seen as one of not interfering with the powers that be. Avoidance is not always the best answer. The next workbook activity is on the following page. Karma can't be released. Continuance just is. We can release attachments that cause certain defects, though. No celebrity or Mahanta is there reminding us. We can recollect our legacy in the world all of our own. Then is a page with another workbook activity. I do not think that the idea of imagining erasing troubles listed off on a chalkboard has anything to my dreams. Another workbook activity is on another page. I frequently wake up with only a fragment of a dream. Nothing really worked, but I didn't invoke a Mahanta or honored person. I don't like to picture spiritual leaders to interact with in my imagination, much less pretend that egregores of them are real. The Ek Dream 2 Discourses, pages 147, 145 to 147, or 157, can said to have workbook activity 369. Thus far, I've been able to picture Liberty Island and some very strange machinery. I just choose to repeat the Satnam exercise on the even days of the first, third, and fourth weeks. I did say Hugh on the way to performing the Satnam exercise at times. In the even days of the fourth week and the remaining days, I also did the Statue of Liberty spiritual exercise. Okay, what pages are we on? 142, 143 to 145, and 147 would make the most sense, but let's see there. 143, 144, 145, 146, 147 to 149. Okay. you.